I like this. Everywhere I go, I see this. No indecent behavior. No kissing, guys. Be good. We're picking up speed. The kids are having fun. I think I'm in Miami. All right, we are here right now at the Exchange Mall, or at least outside of it for now. But the plan is today is to go to a few different malls, because obviously Malaysia is known for the malls. I believe there's actually 700 malls in Malaysia, which I think is a lot for a country that doesn't have that many people. And I believe the government actually puts a lot of money to subsidize malls. Wow, this place is so fancy. So we're entering the mall now. I never know the legalness of recording a mall, so I'm gonna try to keep the camera close to my body, keep it more low-key. Oh wow, this place is so beautiful. You can definitely tell this is like one of their newer malls. So what's special about this place is why I came here is because apparently they have a nice outdoor garden, or at least a rooftop garden. And I'm assuming the rooftop garden has amazing views of all of KL. But this so far is definitely the fanciest mall I've been to in Malaysia. Beautiful marble floors. All the stores look super new. The ceiling looks so modern. It kind of looks like a spaceship inside here. It looks like they divided also into shoes. Like back there was Puma, here's Skechers, Hoka. So maybe they divide this mall into different categories. Oh, there's also an Apple store here. This is going to be the first ever Apple store in all of Malaysia. So you can see all the Apple, I think they call them genius people. You see them all training inside, get ready for the grand opening. That's kind of funny. Wow. Holy smokes. This place is so nice. I'm blown away. The technology, look at this. They have a rotating advertisement. Never seen that before. Looks like interesting. They have like stairs here that go up. Let's see where this goes. So I think the garden is this way. Just gonna check. Love the architecture here. It's like so modern. This is exactly the kind of architecture I like. So it looks like you have the plaza over here, some sort of forest walk, play space, dining as well. Oh, I love that they have escalators too. Because I'm not trying to sweat too much. You know, I'm wearing a nice polo today. I don't want to sweat too much like crazy. People taking care of the garden. What is this style architecture called? Industrial, I think industrial, modern. Let's see, oh, you can see the KLCC tower. Ooh. Oh, I love the green space here. Kind of looks like the Trump towers, the gold. So you got the plaza, dining, forest walk. Looks like they have a little area here for kids, which is pretty exciting. Giant playground over there. Oh, I would have loved this place as a kid. So much fun. They have water, everything. Had to pull out my sun protection again because there's like no shade up here and it's very sunny. Wow, this place is so modern. Oh wow, they're really... Wow, Apple's really making a big push for the Asian market. Looks like they have photographers here already. I think Asia is mostly Android, right? Comment below. I think Most people here use Android, so I guess they're trying to push Apple. Oh, they're opening Saturday, June 22nd. Wow, that's gonna be fun. Maybe I'll go to that. I like this. Everywhere I go, I see this. No indecent behavior. No kissing, guys. Be good. I can't imagine the amount of effort and work that is required to maintain such a green space. Like, there's so many varieties of trees. This is like beautiful. It's almost like you're not in the city anymore. In this area here, they have plants that have been used for food, clothing, crafts, building, medicine, and religious purposes in Malaysia. Wow, so it's amazing that they've actually been able to incorporate so much. They even have some sort of fruit growing here. Wow, this is the concrete jungle. This is cooler than New York City. Wow, I think this section is called the Inspiration Garden. So, looks like this is where you sit and think of million-dollar business ideas in front of beautiful little pond here, some seating area, nice reflecting circle over there. I'm a simple guy. I see a shiny object and I must go look at shiny object. Wow, that's crazy. Looks like there's not a single fingerprint on it, but I will not add to the fingerprint count. Wow, they have all the big name luxury skincare brands. Estee Lauder, Yves Saint Laurent, Tom Ford. Got Versace here, Armani, Da Vinci, Dior, Christian Louboutin. Hopefully I'm saying these luxury brands correctly. I'm not the most stylish guy, so I'm not the best with these names. Wow, this mall is truly impeccable. It's the next level. They have a beautiful Gucci store, the Louis V store, like such a nice architecture. They got the logo kind of entwined into the wall here. All right, we have arrived at the second mall, and before I go in, I just want to show you guys this. So this is the Mines Resort City. So I'm at the Mines Shopping Center, but they also have a whole resort over there too, which is pretty crazy. Now let's go in. I will say this mall looks a little bit older than the TRX. So I wanted to come here because this place it's pretty big, but it was also built on top of a lake. So apparently there's a canal that goes through this place. So that's what I really wanted to see. So this mall is definitely older. Oh, they have a book access too. As you can see, it's a little bit older style for everything. It looks like a lot of the stores here are close to. There's definitely no Louis Vuittons here. However, I am not the kind of person that shops at Louis Vuitton, so probably here is where you can find a lot of the better deals. Oh ho! And there it is. Look at this. Looks like somewhere in Europe here with a beautiful bridge. You got the nice dark river here going through. Let's go check it out. Oh my god, it's like a whole... When I was young, I used to kill at these things. I used to line up at the exact right angles and just win something. I wonder... Oh. Oh, this is amazing. Cute. Wow, these guys are cute here, huh? Anyways, got distracted. So let's go down here and check out the river. So it looks like the river starts from out here and then it continues down into there. So you can go in the boat as well. Might have to do that. That sounds pretty exciting. Pretty chill mall. Okay, we're gonna do the boat tour, I guess. It's 25 ringgit, you said, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You want to buy fish food, sir? For feeding fish?
How much?
It's 10 ringgit, sir.
10 ringgit.
They got a lot of fish, so
Okay.
you can throw from the boat lah. And then swan also take the same thing.
It's okay. I'm fine. Yeah. Thank you.
Then you know your card, debit or credit, sir?
Credits. Oh. Oh, the ticket. Perfect. Thank you. I can come in here? Amazing. Over there. Let's sit over here. Oh. I'll sit here. We are. I guess we're gonna go out here. How long is 30 minutes? Oh wow, okay. Okay, 30-minute boat tour. It's actually very comfortable. The seats are very nice. Looks like we'll have some sun protection here. Hopefully it doesn't start raining though. Kids are posing for the photo. Maybe geared more towards kids. We're picking up speed. The kids are having fun. It's actually a very beautiful lake. They have like nice mansions over there too. I think I'm in Miami. Whoa. Crocodile? Wow. Oh my god. So don't go. You can't go swimming here, I guess. Go ahead. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, thank you. Done with the boat ride. The boat ride was interesting. It was 3 times around the lake, and not much to see on the lake, to be honest, but that is okay. So now I'm going to get something to eat because I am hungry now. And I think the place I wanted to go was over here. I've actually never been to one of these places before where it's like revolving sushi. I will sit here. So it looks like we have an iPad. So I guess you just take whatever I want, and the prices are here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ringgit. It's nice. They have chopsticks here, sushi. Okay, let's get after it. So they're just coming along. Oh, we got ice cream. Definitely gonna have to snack some of that later. Dessert. We got something here, some sort of sashimi. Wasabi there? Oh, wasabi? It's wasabi. Oh, perfect, yeah, thank you. I thought this was ice cream, but it's wasabi. Alright. Oh wow, it's actually really good. Well, that's it guys for today. My mall run. Went to 2 pretty cool, interesting malls. So comment below which one you like the most. Comment below which is your favorite mall in Malaysia. And make sure to like and subscribe.